Welcome. Today, I'm reviewing the stunning gold hoop earrings 14K white, a perfect blend of sophistication and everyday elegance. These exquisite earrings are crafted from high-quality 14K white and two-tone gold, featuring a diamond-cut polished oval hoop design. With a bowl of 5 mm thickness, they make a statement while remaining lightweight and comfortable for daily wear. Here's why these hoop earrings stand out. Premium 14K white two-tone gold, a high-quality material for a lasting shine. Diamond-cut polished oval design, adds a sophisticated touch. 5 mm thickness, bold yet elegant for various occasions. Snap-back closure, ensures a secure and comfortable fit. No gemstones, a classic and minimalist style. These hoops are the perfect balance of modern elegance and everyday wearability. The gold hoop earrings 14K white are a must-have accessory for any jewelry lover. Whether for a night out or daily wear, they complement every outfit effortlessly. You can buy it now from Tourpack, US at a reasonable price. Click the link in the description to check it out.